Namaskar and Jai Hind, ladies and gentlemen. This is time for your PPDT story. Let's start. This was a picture which was posted yesterday, and here you see this is a boy on the cycle and on this bicycle. This is a very bicycle generally for the men kind of a bicycle, though any bicycle can be used by anyone. There's a girl who is very surprised. I mean, talking to him, some discussion maybe, or congratulating, or be thankful, or be very excited and happy to see him. So this is generally which is shown in this picture. Let's see what kind of a comments has come. Okay, we'll start with the first one only. Kunal and Kiran, 25-23, positive mood. He was a young man who completed his graduation from IIT Delhi Civil Department and was soon to be a sub-divisional engineer in PWD. Before joining, he had a few weeks, so he went to his village and met his uncle, aunt and cousin Kiran and recall all the pleasant memories. अब आप इसे बाद में साइकिल लाने का कोशिश भी करोगे, बट इट इज मोर ओवर कि आप जबरदस्ती फिट करने का कोशिश कर रहे हो एक थीम को जो दिखाया गया है इसमें, आपका एक्चुअल स्टोरी कहीं और जा रहा है. Now so next he went on to take a round in the village and he saw that the road in the village were bumpy and had holes everywhere, and he saw that some roads were still kacha road and thought of making these roads better. When he joined, he immediately asked for starting the work around his village and made the road better. Everybody in the village was happy. तो जो दिखाया गया वो कहाँ पर है? That is totally missing. A surprise meeting with someone who's happy to see him on the bicycle. They were discussing something. They stopped at a particular place. तो ये आपने कुछ मिस किया है. लेकिन इसके अलावा कुछ ऐसी स्टोरी भी है which I mean slightly I felt very bad about after reading those stories. क्योंकि अभी अगर आपको ये समझ में नहीं आएगा, like I'll show you those stories. In this picture, I perceive two characters. One is Ram, who is 24-year-old, and his sister Geeta, who is 18-year-old. Ram had lost his father. इतना happy scene दिखाया गया, both in the positive mood. They were happy, they're talking, and you're talking about he has lost his father. इसके बाद का मतलब I even don't need to read this story further than this. आप कुछ भी दिखाओगे, अब आप दिखाओगे कि how is he took care of his sister and all, कैसे responsibility ली. लेकिन डू यू नीड टू किल योर फादर जस्ट टू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? हो तो आप ऐसे भी ले सकते हो. तो समहाउ इट हैज गॉन इनटू वेरी नेगेटिव वे एंड आई विल श्योरली से नो टू दिस स्टोरी. ऊपर वाली जो स्टोरी पढ़ा स्टिल आई कैन से वो बहुत ही न्यूट्रल पर्सपेक्टिव है. मे बी आप अगर नरेशन या डिस्कशन में थोड़ा अच्छा कर पाओगे, वहां पे कॉमन थीम लेके आ पाओगे और अंडरस्टैंड दोस इशूज रेक्टिफाइड, देयर स्टिल चांसेस. बट यहाँ पे देयर इज नो चांसेस. आई स्टिल से मतलब जैसे मिलेगा आई से नो टू दिस स्टोरी. So ये तो it's not a good story. In fact, let me see किसने reply भी लिखा है. It is clearly gents cycle. हाँ, but it is not more important. The more important is, of course, he's saying gents only. But why he just killed his father? Why he said his father is dead just to become a hero? Okay. From the picture, I perceive two characters. Shankar is 22 and Riya 23. Shankar is a graduate of commerce from VK University. Place भी लिखना है किस जगह में, और यूनिवर्सिटी कहाँ पर है. He used to visit his village to see help his father in farming and see his family business. अब गांव में जा रहे हैं to see the family business and his father. फिर one fine evening while he was riding back from field, he met his childhood friend Riyan, asking why was he riding bicycle. He replied that he has seen enough of very low level story. I will not even in fact go ahead with this kind of a story. ठीक है, तो ये आपको थोड़ा सा आपको ध्यान देना चाहिए. एंड now I'm going to choose जो थोड़ा सा लेंथ में ठीक ठाक स्टोरी है. Let me see how is this comes. दो कैरेक्टर, मूड पॉजिटिव, एज 24-21, थीम इनिशिएटिव टू कंट्रोल पोल्यूशन. Nidhi is a final student from Delhi. Last month she has got a project on pollution, its impact and measure to control it. Because of this project work, Nidhi got to know about the harsh impact of pollution on every living being. She took it very seriously and therefore she talked with his elder brother Raju about this matter, and they discussed about the possibility solution to control it. From the day onwards, both started some measures like say no to plastic, using eco-friendly products as far as possible. After a few days, Raju, on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, Raju bought a new bicycle and promised his sister that he will use this for short distance travel. Seeing this, Nidhi jumped with joy and felt proud. This together also started awareness program to educate people and make our city, our country clean and green. स्टोरी ठीक ठाक है बट थोड़ा प्री कंसीव्ड है, मतलब स्टोरी में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है और थीम इज जस्ट ओके. बट ऐसी स्टोरी क्या होती है, आप ना एक बहुत ही प्रिपेयर्ड हो, जो जो सब लिखे है ना, ये किया वो किया ऐसे क्या, ट्राई टू इम्पोज इन एवरी स्टोरी, जहां आप डिवाइड दिस, यू डू दिस. However, I still say डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नरेशन एंड द डिस्कशन आई स्टिल मे से यस टू दिस स्टोरी। क्योंकि देखो यहाँ भी साइकिल है, वहां पहले वाले में भी था कि हाउ दे कंट्रोल पॉल्यूशन उस समय, लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा रिलेवेंस दिखाया गया है, उसको कैसे लेके आप गए हो, कैसे हाउ दे स्टार्टेड एंड व्हाट द प्रोजेक्ट, हाउ शी डूइंग इट। आई स्टिल से आई गो अहेड विद द स्टोरी एंड अगर narrated well and discussion normally, I will say yes for the stage one. Let me see slightly better length of the story. तो इसमें काफी ज्यादा थीम आया है जहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट पे या पोल्यूशन पे काम कर रहे हो, और यू मे बी गिफ्टिंग सम बाइसिकल टू योर सिस्टर और मे बी मीटिंग योर फ्रेंड, और बहुत सारी ऐसी थीम है जो इसमें से बिल्कुल रिलेवेंट नहीं है। मतलब आप एक पूरा पिक्चर बनाया, आपने पिक्चर को देख के पूरा स्टोरी बनाया है कि वो कुछ कॉलेज है, स्टार्टअप कर रहा है, कुछ और कर रहा है, और जो दिखाया गया है, सी इन दीज काइंड ऑफ पिक्चर्स व्हेन there's nothing, you even if you don't get an idea and you want to have a different theme ki just I mean imagining ki after some time you meet with your friend, what how you met, what discuss, this is more important. तो sometime theme से important action आपके हो जाते हैं, and how do you reach that place. So ये ऐसी pictures में बहुत matter करता है, what led to the situation, how come they meet, what they are discussing, what are they doing right now, and what is the outcome. It is not just कि आप मिले, अरे हाय हेलो कैसे हो, and चले गए. As an assessor think about मुझे क्या मिला आप में कि I should keep you for next 5 days कि ठीक है आपने अच्छा स्टोरी बनाया, मे बी इफ यू आर यूजिंग इन TAT also, what should I see कि आप उसमें ऐसा क्या निकाल के लेके आ रहे हो। NGO तो आई एम नॉट इवन रीडिंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज उसमें बच्चा सब कुछ ऑफलोड करने की कोशिश करता है, NGO का पार्ट है तो उसमें सब करा दिया उसने। ओके इसमें है two friends both in positive. Ram studied in NIT Patna. One day while returning back to his hostel, he met his friend named Geeta. She is her classmate. They started discussing about the study and future plans. They came to know that they shared common ideas for starting EV startup. They decided to work together. They also allowed other capable classmates to join them. After a lot of hard work, they finally presented their first EV in their college fest, and the design was admired by bigger firms. They used that opportunity to allow many companies to invest. In fact, I will still go ahead with this kind of a picture. At least they use the what led to the situation. Hostel se aa raha hai, mila friend, and when they're discussing, okay, what's going on, and then he told about his project. They worked together, came out of different kind of solutions and all. Better if the project could have been on cycle, so it could have been much better how they utilized bicycle into the story. I would have been more happy. However, still, I will go ahead with this kind of story. Let's pick up last two stories. Okay. Apurva Viman. बहुत छोटा स्टोरी. लेट्स सी पिक्चर हैप्पीनेस फॉर ब्रदर. टू कैरेक्टर वाइल देयर मूड इज पॉजिटिव. मेन कैरेक्टर इज राम. राम इज अ वेरी, अब देखो यहाँ तक तो आपने एक्सप्लेन ही किया है, यहाँ से आपका पिक्चर स्टार्ट हुआ. राम इज अ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग डेडिकेटेड पर्सन हु पुट्स होल हिज एफर्ट फॉर हिज वर्क फ्रॉम हिज ओन मनी फर्स्ट टाइम इन हिज लाइफ. जब आप स्टार्ट ऐसे करते हैं राम इज वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग एंड डेडिकेटेड पर्सन, ये आपको बोल के नहीं बताने की क्या हुआ, बिकॉज हमेशा हम बोलते हैं ना कि जो सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर जो आपका हीरो है, जनरली यू अज्यूम यू आर, आपके एक्शन से निकलना चाहिए कि वो बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग एंड डेडिकेटेड है, ना कि आप ये एडजेक्टिव यूज करके उसको हार्ड वर्किंग, डेडिकेटेड, इंटेलिजेंट एंड ऑल, एंड देन आई थिंक ओ इट्स वेरी गुड. नो, it is through your story should come out, and it's quite very incomplete story, so I will say no to this story. Okay, let's pick up last one, and let me go to last. Okay, where's the last story? Let's go there. See, I have already gone through this story. Why I'm picking up few stories? Because wow, Aman 24-year-old boy. That's the only story you have written, Mr. Ansh. I hope you could have done justice to this. लेकिन with a few story I am just picking it up so that आपको ये आइडिया कैसे लिखना है, उसके साथ साथ क्या मिस्टेक्स नहीं करनी है वो भी आए. That's why we keep picking up those story की you get to know something. चलो, let's come on to the last and second last. I perceive two characters from above pic, Alex of age 22 and his cousin sister Gia of age 21. Alex lived in a small village who was a shy person. Why shy? And who lacked confidence with shabby appearance. आपका हीरो कितना अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट है, मतलब ये बच्चे ने जिसने भी ये स्टोरी लिखा हुआ है, इट इट्स अ टॉक अबाउट you lack in confidence, you're talking about it's very difficult for you to open up with the people and all. So what kind of impression as an assessor I am having? Do you think I'm going to take you in? No, I will not take this chance. One day he decided to change his life, so he moves from his village to city, get a job of salesman. He started cultivating the good habits by reading self-improvement books, and imbibed qualities in him, started focusing on his physique, take care of his health, change the way he dressed overall. कि वाकई कोई ये मूवीज वाला नहीं चल रहा है, कोई यहाँ पे सीरियल नहीं चल रहा है, अभी आप बेकार लगते हो, शहर में गए वापस कुछ हीरो बन के आए बड़ा स्टाइल में, आपने सूट वूट पहना हुआ है, देन यू बिकम ए हीरो. नो, इट इज द रियलिटी. If you will run away now, you will run away from any place. You think the solution of any problem is running away from one place to another place. So again, I will say no to the story. Let me see the second last also. Sonu was 19 after completing his secondary exams. 19 after, मतलब सेंटेंस बड़ा इनकम्प्लीट है. He wants to go to the city for higher education. ये दोनों मिलके एक सेंटेंस बन सकता था. But his village is a little bit far from his village is a little bit far from his village. अरे उसका गांव उसी के गांव से दूर है ये. Maybe you wanted to write from the city. Maybe he takes the bus, and after this he took auto. Then he arrived. Then he decided to buy bicycle. He gave an interview as part-time job in Domino's. He got. I will not go ahead with this. I'll stop it here only. अनुज अंडरस्टैंड, अगर आप पुराना एक बार वीडियो देखिए, बाकी सारी पिक्चर्स को देखिए जो दिखाया गया है, ट्राई टू राइट देम अगेन. सो आई मीन one day usually Rahul and their friends, by the way, you cannot make such a symbol, coughing and bicycle photograph and all. Use those symbol which you can use. तो आप कोई symbol use नहीं कर पाओगे. Use only words. One day usually Rahul. I mean इतना सब लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. Start Rahul and his friends, not their friend. And his friend group, after coming from school, sitting on a bench side of a road, and they were discussing about air pollution in the city. No, they were standing at one place, and then Sneha, one of his friends, said, nowadays people, I will say no. In fact, इसके आगे सुनने का जरूरत भी नहीं है, and totally say no to this. So please understand, when you write such a story, आपका रिलेवेंसी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट फाइनली आप प्रोजेक्ट क्या करना चाहते हो, आप क्या बताना चाहते हो, वो बहुत जरूरी है. यू कैनॉट कीप ऑन सेइंग एनीथिंग कि भैया मेरे पास कोई भी स्टोरी है, मैं उसमें फिट कर देता हूँ. कुछ लोग स्टार्टअप का स्टोरी लेके, कुछ लोग कुछ और आइडिया का स्टोरी लेके, एंड देन ट्राई टू फिट इनटू दिस वन. इट मे नॉट वर्क आउट. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. आप पिक्चर को देख के थीम बनाइए, उस पर स्टोरी लिखिए, एंड देन यस ऑफ कोर्स सम आइडिया विच यू कीप रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर, यू कीप hearing about different kind of innovation, technology, anything. You may use those things because finally आपका imagination है कि आप suddenly ऐसे मिलते हो, ये सब बातें करते हो. बट ये सब नहीं कि आप कुछ और ही थीम पे चले जाओगे, सब बेकार हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ऐसे हो रहा है. You may start with on pollution also. You may start on the like हमने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था एक अच्छा थीम था जिसमें pollution को रिड्यूस करने के लिए how she got the project and they did it. And तो इस तरह से कुछ अलाइनमेंट होना चाहिए. ऐसे रैंडमली कुछ भी पिकअप करके इधर उधर से नहीं डालना है. एक स्टोरी का फ्लो आना चाहिए, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. आई होप यू गेट द पॉइंट, एंड विद दिस विल सी यू टुमारो. टिल देन, जय हिंद, जय भारत.